Magnificent, isn't she? 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Fully bulletproof, a few little tricks up her sleeve. It's a shame, really. She was meant for you, but she's been reassigned to 009. But you can have this.
Does it do anything?
It tells the time. Might help with your punctuality issues.
M's idea.
Precisely.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
We've taken delivery now of 8 Aston Martins. These are bespoke, these have been specially built for this film. We've got our hero Aston Martins, which are just pristine to show their beauty. And then we've got stunt Aston Martins, which are fully roll caged up. So stunt drivers have been putting them through their paces.
I love the idea of this fantastic car being in a sort of one-on-one battle with another incredible car from Jaguar, which is similarly extraordinary, actually. So it's a cat and mouse game through the nighttime streets of Rome at great speed between two of the fastest cars in the world, neither of which you'll have ever seen before.